I'm so happy because I love chocolates. I love chocolates. I love chocolate. Chocolates, do you love me?
Yo,
Hey guys, it's Klariz. Welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title, I'll be doing trying Korean snacks. If you're new here, subscribe to be part of our family, Kleinsters, and click the bell button besides so you're notified whenever time I post a new video. So, ayun na guys, isimulan na natin ang mga Korean snacks natin. So, yeah. So, without further ado, let's just get started. Dun sa mga Korean town sa Clark, yep. So, doon namin siya binili guys, kasama yung cousin ko. Ayun nga, dahil sobrang dami doon guys. Madami din na kainan ng pang Korean. Ganun, just go there. Kung taga Pampanga kayo, alam niyo yung mga Korean town doon. Sana masasarap yung mga to. Ano to? Seaweed? Ay, hindi ako mahilig sa seaweed, but yeah, let's try. Baka masarap naman siya. Ito parang honey almonds. Strawberry siya. So, yun. And meron akong this. Kasi guys, yung pangalan mga Korean eh. So, I don't know kung tawag dito. Basta let's try. And dito guys na parang, tinanong ko to kung like masarap ba. Like masarap daw. And yung mga best seller ata nila doon. Ito yung mga yan. I think I will try this one. Nakasulat dito, binge. Then I will open. Cookies lang siya na parang chocolate. Let's try it. Woo! So excited ko siya. Oh, ganito pala siya guys. Kita niyo pa. Ayan siya. Let's try. So, ilang pieces to? Mga walang nakasulat. I don't know, pero madami-dami siya, guys. Chocolate cookies. Try. Oh my god, guys, ang sarap. Parang hindi ko ma-explain, pero ang sarap niya. Guys, try nyo to. Yeah. Oh my god. Parang pepero. Ah! Sobrang favorite ko na to guys. So, yeah. Better ko na to. Mabasin ko guys kasi masarap. I don't have water. Oh my god. Okay. The next one. Also that ito is choco. So let's try. Ito puro chocolate yung nga binili ko. Ang hirap! Oh my God. Oh, ganito siya. Ay, nahulog. Ay, nahulog. Ay, nahulog. Let's see. So, hindi pa naman siya madumi. Let's be honest. Ganyan tayo. So, ayan. Alam niyo, parang, hindi ko alam kung natawag, nakalimutan ko na yun eh. Yung parang binabaon sa school or like, basta. Oh my god, ang sarap, girl. By the way, guys, parang taste test to, ganun. Wow. So, sarap. Oh my god. Churros. Churros to, guys. So, let's try. How can I open this one? Not idea. Let's try churros. Oh, ito siya guys. So cute. Oh my god, kulang na lang ng chocolate talaga. I swear. I'm so happy. Ang sarap guys. Yeah. Okay. I don't have water. Later na lang. So, ang next ay ito. It's tasty. So, these guys, yung mga itsura niya sa loob. Yan. Tignan natin. Maliliit lang siya. Okay lang. Dito, sobrang sarap nito. I will give this like 10. Yeah. And this one, I will give this, I think, 8.5. Yeah. And ito guys, gagawin ko ng 9. So, yeah. And ito, ibigyan ko ng 7. Itong like yung... By the way guys, ano pala to? Barbecue flavors. So, yeah. Then next, itong honey almond na peanuts. So, let's taste it. Ganito siya guys, malilit lang. Okay lang. I will give this like 7. Yeah, okay lang siya. And pero pinaka-favorite ko talaga yung chocolate. Yung unang-una guys. Oh my god. So, itong seaweed flavor ay original flavor siya guys. Ito. Oven bake. Tapos, basta. Let's taste it. I don't like seaweed. You know? Minsan, gusto ko minsan. Depends on my mood. So, yeah. I will give this like 6.5. Yay! I got my water. The next one is choco hazelnut. Yeah, puro chocolate. Open. So, ganito yung mga packaging nila. Ay, dalawa siya sa loob guys, by the way. Ano ba yung tsura? Parang siyang... Basta, let's open it. Ay, buko siya. Kalat ka, besh? Buko siya! Ganito siya. Dalawaan. Let's taste it. I love chocolates, I swear guys. Oh my god, ang sarap. I'm so happy because I love chocolates. I love chocolates. I love chocolate. Chocolates, do you love me? I will give this 10. I swear. I will give this 10. The next one, this strawberry. So, parang chocolate and strawberry yung binili ko. I don't know why. So, yeah. Meron tayong strawberry, like original flavor lang siya. This one. And now, let's open. Parang buo to. Buo siya. So, di parang wow, meron na naka-sealed pa rin. Pero siya, try mo ako. Ilang pieces to? I mean, hindi, madami guys. Ito siya. Tapos, yun. I will give this 9.5. Okay na naman siya guys. Dalawa na lang natitira dito guys. So, chocolate talaga. So, let's open it. So, wala silang English na tawag eh. Ay, ganito. Taray. Oh, so cutie. itsura nila. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Lahat na guys, masarap. The square food is like... So guys, ito na yung last natin. Chocolate ulit. Yep, may cookies na chocolate. May chocolate siya. Ayan, tapos let's taste it. Para siyang Oreo, ganun. Style niya. May balot na naman. Ay! Yun lang to. Nantipid naman nila. 3 lang, guys. So, let's start. Sarap ko lang yung chocolate niya. Kaya ito, ilan yung laman niya sa likod. Ilang guys. 3 na pala. I have ito yung shape niya. I will give this like 10 or 6. I think 6. 6 to. Inom ako ulit. Finally. So guys, finally we're done. That's my dry Korean snacks. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. If you did, make sure to give big thumbs up. Subscribe to be part of our family, Clansters, and click the bell button besides so you're notified whenever time I post a new video. So guys, bago ako mag-end, mag-shoutout muna ako. Shoutout sa inyo, Angel Salud, Gabriel Gabuhat, kay Lyra Precious, tsaka kay Stephanie Suba. So thank you so much guys. Kung gusto niyo ma-shoutout, make sure you subscribe and click the bell button besides so you're notified whenever time I post. And just comment down below if you're done. And I'll see you on my next video. I love you guys!